Hi, Deanna Carroll here, and I guess you've seen by now these are some of the arrangements that I make. These are not all of them, but these are a nice portion of flower arrangements that I've taken pictures of during the course of my employment at the last florist I worked at. I am a second generation flower designer, and my mom was a florist for 41 years, and I've tried my whole life to stay out of this business, and I've been in every other kind of career you could imagine, but I love flowers. I really, really, truly do. And I only did this work because I love to do it. I mean, live and breathe, love to do it. I love to grow flowers. I love to deal with flowers, plants, whatever. Very different than most florists because I actually do love the flowers. And out of respect for my previous employer, I never really posted a whole ton of things because it was, you know, more self-promotion than business promotion, even though I wanted to promote the business. But since I'm no longer there, I thought I would put together a little slideshow quick of all of the arrangements I've made in just the past couple of years. This is not all of them, but this is a big group of them, so you get an idea of what I can do, what I have done. And I can't say that I'll ever get back into flowers. I really don't know at this point, but I wanted to have this little memory and I wanted to share it with everyone. It is a hard business. The flower business has been in decline for many years because people just do not order flowers like they used to, and I wish they did because it's really something else. They're really beautiful and people love to get flowers. They really do. They'll say they don't, but they really, really do. And some of the things that you can do, I hope to do a series soon on flowers from your yard that you can arrange and things that you can root and all that kind of stuff. If you like any of these flowers, please leave us a comment below. Let me know. In the flower business, you know, you have a flower shop, but a flower shop doesn't consist of just one person. It usually consists of several designers, several other people that also do work in that shop. And this is just a small portion of what came from my work at the last flower shop I was at. So please enjoy. I hope you enjoy these arrangements, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to get back to you. In the meantime, you can go and look at any of my other things that I've done on my other videos. Ivycreates is the name of my YouTube channel, and ivycreates.com is the name of my website. You can find me at Deanna AC on Facebook, or under Deanna Carroll, or any of the other ones that you can see. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this as much as I do, and just appreciate and love flowers, and a few other extras like my puppy dogs and some of my favorite flowers like the hearts roses. Gotta love those. Those are absolutely gorgeous. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Did you click that subscribe button and the notification bell? Well, if you don't hit that notification bell, you will miss out on our Thursday videos. So please go ahead, click it, and you'll be able to watch our videos that are coming up.